This video is going to be about the mass airflow sensor from this Toyota Yaris hybrid. So let's first remove it and clean it up. Let's unplug the connector. Now on this unit you can see there the intake air temperature sensor, and down there you've got the hot wires from the mass airflow sensor. Alright, let it dry. I've got my scan tool connected. Now we have the ignition on and the car battery is on charge. And since we've got the sensor disconnected, the intake air temperature is showing minus 40 degrees Celsius. So let's see what are the values from the connector. I'm gonna hold it like this and start with the pink wire. Between pink and green, we've got 5 volts. Between pink and black, we've got 7.45 volts. Between pink and blue, 4.9. And between pink and red, 4.09. Between green and black, we've got the car battery voltage. Green and blue, nothing. Green and red, nothing. Between black and blue, we've got the car battery voltage. Between black and red, we've got 10.3 volts. Let's see, between blue and red, nothing. Now let's see if we connect the sensor. And we can see on the intake air temperature, we've got 16 degrees and the airflow rate is 0.14. So I placed the sensor inside this hose so it won't be disturbed by any airflow. However, we still have 0.12 grams per second. On the left, we've got the graph for the intake air temperature and airflow rate. As you can see, once I touch the sensor, the airflow rate begins to change. So I'm actually going to put my finger on it and the temperature should increase. So the airflow sensor responds pretty fast. So let's install it back, and in the future if there are trouble codes, we're gonna have a look again. So yeah, thanks for watching. If it happens that you guys have as well read the live data of the mass airflow sensor on this Toyota hybrid, please let me know what values did you see, and I will see you in the next video.